Alright, news update for Tron. So, it seems in the past 24 hours Tron has confirmed that they are launching their new USD stablecoin to take on Terra underneath the ticker symbol USDD. Now, this is very interesting. If we jump into it, this was confirmed about 24 hours ago by Justin's son Tron, who is the founder of Tron. You can go and find his Twitter if you did want to read a full in-depth guide of what this new stablecoin is going to be. But let's just jump into this article. We can summarize it a lot quicker. If you did want the whole breakdown, like I said, go over to Justin's son Tron. He published this basically yesterday, so yeah, you'll be able to find that over there. If we read into this article, the most important thing I see from this is the fact that they're saying that they're trying to take on stablecoins like Terra. And if we come over to the top stablecoins by market capitalization, you can see Terra is number 3 out of all of these stablecoins. It is the 13th largest cryptocurrency, but out of all the stablecoins, it is number 3, and it does have a decent market cap. So this is interesting what Tron is trying to do. There's some key insights here and basically a summary of how this new stablecoin works. If we read through it, you can see this new stablecoin will be launched on May the 5th into an already crowded market, so it won't be out for a little while. USDD will be backed by Tron's native token TRX, and we'll jump into how that's going to work in a moment because that is very interesting, that a USD stablecoin is backed by Tron, or any cryptocurrency for that matter. That's very interesting. And if we come down here, you can see this just confirms that Justin's son announced the new network, blah blah blah. If we scroll down, here we go. So this is the point where I wanted to get into. So the Sun added that the new token represents an evolution from previous Tether USDT stablecoins that ran on the OMI and Tron networks. He failed to mention Ethereum, which powers around half of the Tether supply. Now, Tron's USDD will usher in the stablecoin 3.0 era, according to the Sun. I don't know if I agree with that, but it does seem like an interesting stablecoin nonetheless. And how it works, you've got a brief rundown that was given in this more in-depth summary. I believe it was either on the first or the second page. I read through this, but I don't want to make it like a 10-minute long video reading through, 20 paragraphs worth of data. But this sums it up indefinitely. If we look here, you can see when USDD's price is lower than 1 USD, users can send 1 USDD to the system and receive $1 US worth of Tron. So that's very interesting. I mean, they're backing up their stablecoin with crypto, but they're allowing users to be able to exchange, 1 USD for 1 USDD worth of Tron, or 1 USD worth of Tron. So very interesting stuff here. When USDD's price is higher than 1 USD, users and arbitrageurs can send 1 USD worth of Tron to the decentralized system and receive 1 USDD. So like I said, this information came out in the past 24 hours or so. It mainly hit Yahoo Finance and a bunch of other top publishers and news sites in the past couple of hours or so, so this has just hit me. But if we come over to the chart, we're looking over here on the 4-hourly. If we come over to the daily, because the news actually hit yesterday, you can see we had a large influx of volume and a huge impulse. Now, if we come over to the 4-hour, in my opinion, this is looking like a very clear-cut potential cup and handle pattern that could break out of the neckline of approximately 7 cent 0.16. So if this information and this Tron release does allow Tron to keep on pushing to the upside, then this cup and handle pattern could break to the upside and we could expect a move up to 8.5 cents. So that would be a 20% increase, or approximately a 19% increase. So very interesting stuff. I don't really want to make this a TA video, but you can see that the price has reacted very nicely to this news. I may consider starting to cover Tron. Let me know if you do want me to cover Tron or more news updates in the future. That is all I've got for you, just a quick news update on the new stablecoin that is going to be hitting the markets on the 5th of May. That's all I've got for you. Once again, Cowboy out. Peace.